Okay, question for you. If you're not from the Northwest, if you're not familiar with Washington, when I say Washington State, what do you think of? You think of this? Or this? Or maybe this? No. This is Washington State. Well, good morning, all you beautiful YouTube watchers. Are you enjoying your morning coffee there? Sitting at your smart TV, your laptop, or watching from your phone? I am going to take you on an adventure with Jax and I today. As we leave Highway 12, we're going straight north about 48 miles into the Olympic National Forest up here. We are in Grays Harbor County, so you can see it's a little gray right now. But we may get some sunshine here coming up when we get there. First of all, we've got a lot of driving to do, and we're going to have to hit some dirt roads later. But let the adventure begin. And there we go. Now we've hit the dirt roads full of potholes and low-hanging branches, and 32 miles left of this. So you gotta believe me, if it's worth it, it's worth it. Let's wait and see. It's weird how the shadows really hide the potholes, like right there. And it's about 72 degrees today here in June as we approach my top secret spot, and it's open. Oh my gosh. Can I get a Class A through here though? That's the question. Clearance wise, we're gonna get a little bit of branches on the side. We're gonna make it otherwise. My fire pit's still here. There's the great Wynoochie River. Hard left. In fact, that's a little terrifying. Oh my gosh, there's a cliff there. And park it right there. Wait, right there, we're a little more level. Jax, man, we're here. It's been a while, huh? On a day like today, I really appreciate having the automatic leveling, Jax. Let's go check this out. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm parking a little closer to the edge of the cliff than I'd like. Well, won't say anything about that, but I have a private campsite. This is a private campsite in the Olympic National Forest for free $99. And wow, that water looks gorgeous down there. I love nature. This is really, truly what I love. I'm so glad to be back now. I'm starting to get discouraged, some of the closed campgrounds, but I'll tell you what, I'm not discouraged anymore. Thank you, nature. Woo! It is stunningly beautiful and peaceful in here, no doubt. Look at this little brook running up here. That is just incredibly, insanely gorgeous. Man. There are also a lot of walking trails here through the forest off of these roads. Trails that run kind of right along the Wynoochie River. And then these really strange mossy wood bridges. Oh my gosh. I don't know, I guess it's safe. It wouldn't be here if it wasn't safe. That's a long way down. Well, not a long way. It's a good 20 feet there. Okay. Hello? It's sturdy. It's sturdy. Oh, man. I could spend 7 days here and not get tired of this area. The water looks inviting. It is not super hot today. Like I said, right around 72 degrees. But I do want to go into the Wynoochie River here. Actually, I got an idea. Let's walk back to camp and I'll get the e-bike off the back, and it's a great area to go explore on the e-bike. Maybe I'll find another hidden campsite somewhere. Certainly this was one of those times where I could have at least brought the folding bike inside to keep you can see all the dirt up on there. And the bike's really dirty, but I don't care. We're not trying to keep it clean. We're trying to keep it functional. We're gonna ride up north, see what we can find. And so what would I be doing right now if I didn't have a bicycle? I'd be sitting at camp. Yeah. Oh, that water looks nice. Okay, stop it, Wynoochie, now. You're just bragging. This is not the falls I wanted to show you, but what a beautiful ride. That was a good 10-mile ride all uphill to get up. You can see I'm sweating a little bit here. Looking forward to the water. You can tell we're at the falls by the sign that has been ripped off and probably burned. Hilarious. But now we got to hike to the falls. Walk across this plank wood right here. Oh, look at that water. It wants me as much as I want it. Oh, good night. Look at this place. Ah! Oh my gosh. This is incredible. So cold. Driftwood, I'm helping it drift. Hey, just don't forget that I helped you drift. Look at that watercolor. It doesn't look clear. It definitely looks like green turquoise. Oh, you know, just hanging out in my own little personal private waterfall here in Washington. Yeah, Washington sucks. Don't come here. No, I guess it is crystal clear. It's just sometimes how it flashes off the rocks or the moss or something. Maybe it looks green in different areas. But no, right here, that is crystal clear water. Man. Are you not impressed? Well, I may come back out here. I don't really want to soak all the way in. It's kind of cold, actually. But I am leaving my RV in a kind of remote area, even though I've got the security cameras and everything going. I want to go check in on Jackson and have lunch, so I'll be back. This water ain't going anywhere. Well, actually, the water's falling and definitely going down to my camp. I love it here, man. Yep, everything's good back here at camp. Jax is still sleeping, so I think I forgot to share with you guys. I did get some new rear steel simulators. And we got Loctite on the nuts now, so doesn't look quite as ghetto. And yeah, it's quiet out here. It's strange at night for me when it gets really, really quiet, but I can trade it in for all those noisy Walmarts and rest areas that have happened. So the only bummer part is, well, it's not even really a bummer part, but sometimes some of my viewers are a little critical of when I go off grid and I don't have Wi-Fi, internet, cell phone service or anything. I can't respond to people right away. I need this every once in a while. Like, I need a break too sometimes, and you know, in order to have captured all this to share it with you, I had to be without any service for a couple days, and I think that's okay. So I shall return soon to get this uploaded for sure. That's right, we like living life on the edge. Not really. I should probably move the chair a little bit farther away from this cliff. But no, actually, this brown chair, this zero gravity chair, I traded to a couple friends, Dawn and Joyce, in Chehalis, I think. They wanted my blue one. They had this brown one, which matches Miranda a little more. So I was like, yeah, I'll trade. Matches, of course. Yeah. What do you think? You love it here so much. You love it this much. Oh. Booger butt. Oh, seriously, Eric, move that chair away from the edge of the eroding cliff. I'm gonna crack open a barley pop, bring Jax out, and watch the old sunset over the mountains there. Ironically, the sound of the water going over the brook rocks there does make me get up and have to go pee a lot. Let me crash here, and I'll let you know how it goes in the morning, okay? All right. It was getting a little out of hand, let's be honest. I wasn't trying to grow out a beard, I just had stopped trimming it for 2 months. That's all that happened. This is my look. I feel a lot lighter. Anybody want some extra beard? I slept super peaceful out here at the Wynoochie. I thought we were gonna see some stars. Looks like it was mostly just clouds. And yesterday I was just gonna lounge, but I just can't sit still sometimes. I started working on some projects and don't worry about that. Don't worry about that at all. All right, guys. I hang out one more night and I'll be uploading this video. You guys have a great day, night, weekend, whatever. Take care. Bye-bye.